Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the CSS ribbons. Look at the final demo, where we are going to create the different types of the CSS ribbons. If you know how to create the triangles, then it's very simple to create the CSS ribbons. And also go through the Dropbox link below this video, where you can download the project folder of this demo. Let's get started with HTML structure. First, create the wrapper div element. Within that, create the container with image and 4 div elements. And add the 2 different classes to each div element, in which one class is different and another class is common to all div element. Open the index.html file in the browser. Now let's get started with CSS, by including its link in the head section of the HTML document. Now start writing the CSS by setting the margin and padding values of all default HTML elements to 0. Give the background color to the body. Now place the wrapper div element in the center of the browser, by setting its position value to the absolute, which is relative to the body, and set its top and left values to 50%. And we can clearly see that the wrapper div element is not placed exactly in the center due to negative margins. To remove the negative margin, we can use the translate method of the transform property. Style the container by setting the width, height, and position value to the relative, so that we can place its child elements accordingly. Here ribbons are child elements. Now give the 100% of the width and height to the image, which is relative to the width and height of the container. Give the box shadow effect to the image. Now by targeting the common ribbon class, set the width, height. Set its position value to the absolute, which is relative to the container div element. Let's create the first ribbon, first, by targeting the ribbon 1 div element. Set the background color using the linear gradient method. Set its direction to left and set the 2 different colors. Give CSS vendor prefix. Here Moz is used for the Firefox, WebKit is used for the Google Chrome, MS is used for the Internet Explorer. Now using the top and right properties, place ribbon in the top right corner. Now use the before pseudo element to create the top left triangle. Feel free to visit my previous videos on how to create the triangles, in a case, if you don't know how to create the triangles. I'll drop the links to the videos below this video. Set the position value to absolute, and by using the border property let's create the solid box. Then set the bottom right border colors to transparent. Thus weaken the formation of the top left triangle. Now change top left border colors. Now let's create the ribbon too. Change the right property to left. Change the linear gradient direction to the right. Now create the bottom left triangle. Using the after pseudo element, let's create the right pointing triangle. Create the ribbon 3, change the top value. Create the bottom right triangle. Give round corner effect to ribbon using border top right radius and border bottom right radius properties. Finally, see how I'm going to create the fourth ribbon. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.